Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the very beautiful hymn, There is Sunshine in My Soul. This song was written by Eliza Hewitt in 1851, and the music to this hymn was written by John Sweeney in 1837. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can print that out and follow along with me as we learn this song together. So let's get started. There is sunshine in my soul today, more glorious and bright than glows in any earthly sky. For Jesus is my life. Oh, there's sunshine, blessed sunshine, when the peaceful, happy moments roll. When Jesus shows His smiling face, there is sunshine in my soul. Okay, I'm playing this song in the key of G major. So the chords used to play this song are G major, C major, D7, A major, and that'll be all the chords used to play this song. Okay, let's take time to do a quick review of how to play these chords. To play G major, you place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string on the 3rd fret, finger number 4 or your little finger on the 1st string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings. It's G major. Okay, to play C major, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger to string number 5 of the 3rd fret, strum all strings but the very top E string. This will be C major. Okay, next is D7. Okay, to play D7, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. This is D7. Okay, lastly is A major, and I just kind of use my 2nd finger to bar across strings 2, 3, and 4, and try to allow this 1st string to ring out, and then strum all the strings but this top E string. A major, or you can play A major by placing your fingers in a row all on the 2nd fret. Finger number 1 on string 4, finger number 2 on string 3, and then finger 3 on string 2, all on the 2nd fret. Strum all strings but the top E string. Okay, so you can play A major either way that feels the most comfortable to you. Okay, this song is written in 4/4 time, 4 beats per measure. I was just using a simple down-up strumming pattern, but kind of with a swing to it. Instead of just down, up, down, up, down, up, I'm using down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so let's look at the chord progression of the verse. Okay, there is sunshine in my soul today, more glorious than bright than glows in any earthly sky. For Jesus is my life. Okay, so let's play through that again. There is are just lead-in words, and you'll actually strum beat number 1 when you say the word sun on sunshine. Okay, that'll be beat number 1. Okay, there is C major, C D7, G, G, C, G, A major, D7. Okay, so let's play that through one last time, and I'll sing it along with the chords again. Okay. There is sunshine in my soul today, more glorious and bright than glows in the earthly sky. For Jesus is my light. Okay, so let's look at the chorus chord progression. And again, you got "oh there's" as leading words, and then your first strum will be on sunshine. Okay. Oh, there's sunshine, blessed sunshine, when the peaceful, happy moments roll. When Jesus shows His smiling face, there is sunshine in my soul. Okay. Okay, let's play through it one more time, okay? Oh, there's sunshine, blessed sunshine, when the peaceful, happy moments roll. When Jesus shows His smiling face, there is sunshine in my soul. Okay, let's look at the second verse. Same chord progression as the first verse, okay? There is music in my soul today, a carol to my King, and Jesus listening can hear the songs I cannot sing. Then on the chorus, oh, there's sunshine, blessed sunshine, when the peaceful, happy moments roll. When Jesus shows His smiling face, there is sunshine in my soul. Okay, I think this song has one or two more verses that you can sing through, but a very beautiful song. There is sunshine in my soul. If you enjoy this lesson, be sure and click the thumbs up. I'd appreciate that very much. And if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Appreciate you joining me today. Have a great day. God bless you.